Weather Plus forecast with meteorologist Mary Marshall.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is brisk outside. 32 degrees in Westminster, 38 downtown Baltimore, and 38 degrees at the airport. Winds out of the west up to 20 miles an hour make it feel a lot cooler. It feels as if it's 26 degrees downtown. Feels as if it is 0 degree in Oakland, and it feels like 19 in Hagerstown, feeling like 22 degrees in Westminster Burr. That Arctic air is beginning to make its presence known across the U.S. We're at -7 in Minneapolis, Bismarck -5, and 0 also in Chicago. In terms of temperatures, 11 degrees in Detroit. For us, the rest of the day, cold and windy with highs between 35 and 39 degrees. Wind chill will make it feel as if it's between 26 and 35 by the rest of the afternoon. Winds out of the west up to 25 miles an hour, occasionally gusting up to 39 miles per hour. Here's how the rest of your day breaks down. We'll hold the temperature steady at 38 degrees by 2 o'clock, 37 by 4 p.m. You'll gradually see those temperatures falling to 35 degrees by 6 o'clock this evening. All eyes are out west. This is the system that we're watching. We call it a Clipper system, an Alberta Clipper system. They originate out of Alberta, Canada, and they swiftly move down and they bring a bit of snow and some really cold air. So that's what may make your morning drive tomorrow a bit messy. Right now we have some light clouds passing from the north from Pennsylvania. We actually had some flurries and some light snow to pop up north of the city that has since dissipated. Here are the weather headlines. Be on the lookout for the snow Tuesday. This is an estimated time frame. I want to emphasize that this could change, but for the most part, we're looking at widespread snow between 6 a.m. and 2 p.m. Again, this could change. You want to keep checking with us for the updates. We're looking at anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow across most of the region. Here's how it looks for the next few hours. 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight, we begin to see the clouds pushing in. I fast forward to 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. You can see areas out west are first in line. Frederick, Westminster, all those places first, and then we'll advance the clock to 7 a.m. By this time, all of the city, even Point South, Glen Burnie, Pasadena, all these areas beginning to see some of the snow, with the heavier snow still out to our west. But let's see what happens at 8 a.m. A little bit more snow begins to push in. Again, everyone's getting it at this point. It's not just to the north and to the west. Everybody's going to see something falling from the sky as you're driving to work tomorrow. By noon, still some snow, but you can see it begins to lighten up just a tad. And by 5 o'clock in the afternoon, for the most part, we're done with a few lingering snow showers left behind. And then Wednesday, we have a chance to get another round of snow. So we'll see some bands of snow begin to line up by Wednesday evening into Wednesday night. We're looking at anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow from tomorrow's event, and then we'll likely begin to add to that by Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, those bands are going to form, so it'll be a little bit more difficult to predict exactly who's going to get what amount Wednesday with those very defined bands, because some of you will get snow, others not so much with the bands lining up the way they are. Tonight, chilly, cloudy, lows between 18 and 22 degrees. Areas out west will likely begin to see the snow first. Tomorrow, high of only 31, 60% chance for snow, dipping to 15 degrees Tuesday night, high of only 24 Wednesday. Oh, that bitter cold settles in with a 30% chance for snow. We'll hang out in the 20s for Thursday as well.